Time to get in the garden and side dress and heal the rows of our potatoes. Definitely a beautiful day to get started. So let's go. First, you just need to add fertilizer beside each plant. This makes sure each plant is adequately fertilized and gets that nutrients that it needs. Then you just pull the dirt up from the middle of the row up to the bottom of each potato plant on both sides. That is essentially what makes your hill for the potatoes. As you can see, it does take some time, but it is important to hill up these potatoes so they stand up and we have a great harvest. And just like that, our rows are healed.